I'll show you how to promote Shopify affiliate program links. Hi and welcome to this channel. To sign up for the Shopify affiliate program, scroll down. Apply to become a Shopify affiliate. Commission starts from $25 to $150 US. But I have signed up already. You can watch this tutorial, how to sign up Impact Affiliate Program. I have everything you need to know in there. I'll drop the link in the description box. I'm gonna go to my brands. Let me show you how to promote the Shopify affiliate program. On Shopify, you can click on create link, but I prefer assets because that you get a bunch of stuff to work with. And right here, you can see it has a Portuguese or Brazilian language because this is not English. Scroll down, go to languages and keep scrolling. I want English United States. You can choose English Australia, Canada, New Zealand or South Africa. I'll choose US. As you can tell, it has changed. These are the assets I can use, or you can go to images. Let me check this out. Click on it. It's on promo. It says start for free and get your first month for $1. That's good. I'll right click and save image as. Use keywords Shopify Dropshipping and dash how to start dropshipping. I'll save it like this. It's saved right here. Once it's saved, get the affiliate link, copy tracking link, check it. Bring your ideas to life for $1 per month. It's gonna bring a prospect to this page. This is good. I'll go back, but make sure you save this code somewhere in case you may need it for other promotions. The platform I'll use to promote this program is Pinterest, and Pinterest is one of the best free traffic source out there. It's mainly for link redirection to your blog post, but at the same time, as an affiliate, you can use it to make money as well. If you don't have a Pinterest account, I would advise you to create a Pinterest business account to promote on this platform. And I have tutorial. This is it, how to create a Pinterest business account. I'll drop the link in the description box. Let's go back. On this platform, to promote a product, you need to create a pin. Normally, you have to go to Canva to create all these pins, which I have tutorials on it. But the strategy I'm about to use, we don't have to go to Canva to create any pin. On your left, click on the Pinterest menu and click on create pin, drag it and drop it. Then with this, I don't need to go to Canva and create any pin. Everything is nice. The title, I'm gonna go back. I'll use this $1 paid trial creative. I'll go back here, drop it, and I'll say this is my title, build online store with Shopify $1 paid trial creative. I'll copy this and drop it here, and I'll add my description. But before I do that, let me go back, copy my tracking link, copy, and go back to Pinterest and drop it here. If you are not using the platform for a few minutes, they will log you off just for security reasons. I'll drop the link here. Let me complete my description and I'll get back to you. This is my description. Make sure you add a lot of keywords in your descriptions. Pinterest is a search engine and this will help you to appear on Google. Because I drop my direct affiliate link here, next is enter and add these characters. I like doing this to the end, then drop affiliate disclosure here. With that, I go to my YouTube and click one of the videos, scroll down and right here, copy and go back and drop it. If I want to redirect people to my blog post, in your case, if you don't have a traditional website, this is how you're gonna do it. Then you drop this here. But in my case, I want to redirect prospects to my blog post. I'll copy this. Prospects with buyer intent who would like to read more. That's why I'm using this one. And I'll go back. I'll delete this and I'll drop my link. And also Pinterest as a platform, they love it when you direct people to your blog post. With this, I'll delete this. I don't need this. But in your case, if you're gonna drop the affiliate link here, you need this. I'll delete this just like this because guess what? I have the links and all over. That's why I'm not using the affiliate disclosure. Then moving on, you need to create your board. See here, I need to check if I have related board, how to make a website. I guess this is good. Make money online. I'll create a new board and I'll call it online store and drop shipping. I'll give you the name, and if you want to keep it off the public domain, check this, but I don't want to because I want people to see it so you can click on it. This is a new board. That's how you create a board. Then tags, I'll say Shopify shipping and online store. I'll keep it just like that. And also, I think I can add build a website. This is good enough. Publish at a later date, then check this and just adjust the date and time, but I want to publish it right away. I'll check it off and I'll go to then click on publish. It's published, view it. Bam, this is it. Build online store with Shopify $1 pay trial creative program, but it has just cut it off. Pinterest knows that it's going straight to a website, which they like it, but if I use the direct affiliate link, it's gonna say Shopify right here, Shopify dot whatever. This is how it is, and when you go to your main page or your profile, this is it. This is nice, and trust me, you have to keep on posting at least 3 times a day and be consistent. Don't rely just on this platform. You have to promote it on other networks, use other traffic sources to get to your people. Be consistent and soon you will see results. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.